बच्चों, today we'll study some basic concepts of chemistry. First chapter of 11th class. तो पहला टॉपिक है मैटर. What is matter? मैटर हमारे अराउंड वो सारी की सारी चीजें जिसने कुछ स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रखा है एंड विच हैज अ मास, जैसे पेन, टेबल, डेस्क, कुर्सी etc. All these are called as matter, and this matter has three physical states. First one is solid, second is liquid, and third is gas. So here we have three states of matter. Now, what is the basic difference? If we see solid, in the solid, the atom or molecules, they are so strongly held together that there is a strong force of attraction in between. These layers cannot slide. These atoms or molecules are so strongly bonded, they don't leave their position with respect to each other, जिसकी वजह से इनकी जो शेप है वो फिक्स होती है. They have fixed shape and also they have fixed volume. But in liquid there is a little weaker attraction. जो एटम और मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं इनमें अट्रैक्शन कंपैरेटिवली वीकर है, एंड द लेयर ऑफ दीज एटम और मॉलिक्यूल्स कैन स्लाइड वन ओवर अनदर. जैसे आपने पानी को बहते हुए देखा होगा, द लेयर्स आर स्लाइडिंग जस्ट वन ओवर अनदर. सो द अट्रैक्शन इज लिटिल वीकर देन the attraction which is in solid state, जिसकी वजह से लिक्विड के मॉलिक्यूल की जो शेप है वो फिक्स नहीं है. तो किस तरह की शेप होती है? लिक्विड में शेप उस कंटेनर की तरह हो जाती है जिस कंटेनर में हम उसको रखते हैं. सो इट्स शेप इज नॉट फिक्स्ड, इट ऑक्युपाइज द शेप ऑफ द कंटेनर, but its volume is fixed. For example, if you have taken 1 liter of milk, it will remain 1 liter. Either you are taking it in a bucket, in jug, or in some other. The volume does not change. So the volume of liquid always remains the same. Now, in the case of gas, the attraction between their constituents is very less. They move independent of each other. ये सिर्फ स्लाइड ही नहीं, ये z एक्सिस में मूव भी कर सकते हैं. They move whatever all space is available to them. They occupy whole space. Due to this, their shape is not fixed. They occupy the shape of the closed container, and even their volume is also not fixed because it occupies the volume of the container in which the gas is kept. Now we have here three states of matter, which is solid, liquid and gas. and we found there is only the difference of interparticle attraction, which is the strongest in solid and weakest in gas. If we heat solid substance, on heating, on supplying heat, the attraction between their constituent breaks, the attraction got weaker, and thus the molecules start sliding. And this way, their form changes from solid to liquid. जैसे बच्चों हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, अगर हम आइस को हीट करें तो आइस को हीट करने से क्या होगा? दैट विल चेंज इनटू वाटर. And if we further increase the temperature, we further heat it. So what will happen? It will again occupy energy, and their kinetic energy will become so high that they move independent of one another, and thus it will occupy the gaseous form. And vice versa, अगर हम गैस में एनर्जी को कम करें, if we just cool it down, its energy will decrease. This will change into liquid form, and on further cooling, it will change into its solid form. Now, if we study matter on microscopic level, on microscopic level, the matter can be classified as pure substance and mixture. Now, what is pure substance? What is mixture? Pure substance होता है ऐसा सब्सटेंस जो सिर्फ एक ही तरह के कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट से बना हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हमने वाटर लिया तो हमारे गिवन सैंपल में वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल्स के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए. बाय just putting some almonds or anything, we are just increasing its value, but in that case it is not pure. Pure substance means that contain only one kind of constituents. जैसे हम कहें एक क्लास में 20 गर्ल्स हैं. Now with respect to girls, even we have one boy, we cannot say in terms of this कि it is pure. There should be only the girls in the class. ये जो प्योर सब्सटेंस है जो हम कह रहे हैं कि that contains only one type of constituent can be further classified as element and compound. Now, what is element and what is compound? For example, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, ozone, sulfur, all these are elements. If in a sample we have only hydrogen, H2 molecules in the container, that is pure substance. We have only oxygen or only nitrogen, ozone, S8, it is pure substance. Similarly, if we have in the sample only ammonia, CO2, H2O, H2SO4, it will again be pure. Now, what is the difference in these two pure states? In one, the molecule formed is from the same type of atom, H and H. Here the two atoms are O and O. In this case, nitrogen 2 N atoms, 3 O atoms, 8 S atoms. If the molecule is formed of only one kind of atom, then it is called as pure substance. Now, in compound, these molecules have the different kind of atoms. ये सारे एक तरह के नहीं है. जैसे अमोनिया में एक एटम नाइट्रोजन का है तो 3 हाइड्रोजन के हैं. In CO2, there is 1 atom of carbon and 2 atom oxygen. Mean to say, if the molecule contain more than one type of atom, then that molecule comes under the category of compound. But either we have the sample of element or of any one of the compound, that is called as pure substance. Now, then what is mixture? अगर हम क्या करें, कोई से भी दो एलिमेंट ले लें, कोई से भी दो कंपाउंड ले लें और उनको मिक्स कर दें. 2 elements, even we can add 2 or more elements, 2 or more compounds, or element and compounds when physically mixed together, it produces mixture. ये जो मिक्सचर है, इसमें जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स हैं, इनको हम फिजिकल टेक्निक से अलग कर सकते हैं. इनके डिफरेंस इन प्रॉपर्टी की वजह से हम इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स को अलग कर सकते हैं. जबकि अगर हम कहें एक प्योर सब्सटेंस में जो एलिमेंट और कंपाउंड में जो एटम कंबाइंड हैं, N और H, they are chemically bonded. We cannot separate the atom physically. But the two elements or compound which is being mixed together, they can be separated by the physical method like evaporation, filtration, sedimentation, and so on. That is based on the difference in their property. Now, this mixture again is classified into 2 types. एक मिक्सचर होता है homogeneous and the other one is heterogeneous. होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर वो होता है जिसमें कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल यूनिफॉर्मली मिक्स होते हैं. देयर इज नो सेपरेट बाउंड्री. जैसे मम्मी ने खाना बनाया, मगर जो नमक है वो इतना वेल मिक्स था कि किसी भी कोर में नमक की क्वांटिटी अगर निकालें तो सेम निकलेगी. सेम proportion of every constituent everywhere in the mixture. But if the two or more constituents are not uniformly mixed together and the separate boundary can be seen, मिलाने की कोशिश की, ढंग से नहीं मिला, सब्जी में कहीं नमक ज्यादा कहीं कम, डिफरेंट कंपोजिशन एट डिफरेंट पार्ट. सैंड एंड ग्रेवल्स अगर हम ले, मिट्टी में कंकड़ देखे तो कंकड़ अलग हो जाते हैं, मिट्टी अलग हो जाती है. देयर इज अ डिस्टिंक्ट बाउंड्री बिटवीन देम. ऑयल और वाटर को मिलाएं, दे फॉर्म द डिस्टिंक्ट बाउंड्री, दे डोंट गेट वेल मिक्स्ड. Such mixture is called as heterogeneous mixture.